How to free up your phone space and make it faster. Step 1. Clear cache. Apps like social media and browsers store a lot of temporary files called cache. To clear that cache, you simply have to go to settings. Once you are in a settings, you simply have to search storage on the search bar and tap it. Once you are in the storage space, simply tap on free up storage and you will prompt it to a page where you can find different options to clean your storage. Now select clear app data. Once you are there, you can simply clear all those unnecessary data that you don't want on your device. Now, step 2. Uninstall unused apps. Take a look at your app list and remove the one that you haven't used in a month. Trust me, they are just taking up the valuable space of your mobile. You can also switch to a light version of a popular apps to save some space and make your device a way more smoother. Step 3. Clean up your photos and videos. Delete blurry, duplicate, or unnecessary photos. Use apps like Google Photos to save up your file and free some space on your device. If you are short on storage, you can simply compress your media with apps like Photo Compress. Step 4. Check your downloads or installation package. Old files, PDFs, or APKs in your download folder can pile up quickly. So take a few minutes to delete anything that you don't want in your device. Step 6. Transfer file to cloud or Step 6. Transfer files to cloud or external storage. Move your photos, videos, or large files to external drive, SD card, or cloud storage like Google Drive. This instantly frees up a tons of space in your mobile and make your mobile to run smoothly again. Step 7. Keep software updated. Updates aren't just for new features. They often improve performance and fix bugs. Make sure your phones and apps are up to date because it will help your device to run and perform smoothly. And finally, if nothing else works, consider a factory reset. But remember to back up your data first because this will give your phone a fresh start and restore its speed. And that's it for today's tips to free up space and speed up your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.